has its own history. Now, the Faculty of Teaching and Education in Sanata Dharma was actually not first referred as the Faculty of Teaching and Education because it has also referred as different names such as IKIP. Now, this faculty is one of the oldest faculty in Sanata Dharma, and thus it has certain history of the faculty in the past. The Faculty of Teaching and Education, which is now known as one of the faculty of University of Sanata Dharma, was once popular by the name IKIP Sanata Dharma. At first, it was known by the name College of Teachers Education, which stands on 17th December 1955. On November 1958, the government changes from the name College of Teachers Education into what we know as the Faculty of Teaching and Education. Associated by the name PTBG or College of Teachers Education of Sanata Dharma is now changed as FKIP Sanata Dharma, or known as the Faculty of Teaching and Education. It was then became the part of the Catholic University of Indonesia. On the 1st September 1965, President Sukarno merged the Faculty of Teaching and Education alongside with the Institute of Teachers Education and formed what we know as the Institute of Teaching and Education, or known as IKIP Sanata Dharma. Over the times, the Institute of Teachings and Education of Sanata Dharma became a university, and what we know now as the University of Sanata Dharma. As such, the Institute of Teachings and Education, which was once a standing alone institute, now became a faculty of the University of Sanata Dharma. Later on, in the year 1998, the Faculty of Catholics Education, or FIPA, merged with the Faculty of Teaching and Education and created new department known as IPA, or as we know as the Sciences of the Catholic Religious Education. While the name IKIP became the majority of Sanata Dharma University's institution, FKIP, or known as the Faculty of Teachings and Education of Sanata Dharma, is in fact standalone, and the name IKIP, or the Institute of Teachings and Education, is actually the institution of Sanata Dharma's teaching and educations as a whole.
The Faculty of Teaching and Education's everyday atmosphere is always crowded. Starting from the hall that is always crowded of students doing their assignments, projects, etc. It can also be seen that the students are wearing clothes with collars. Sometimes there is a day where they all have to wear batik and dress like a real teacher. The Faculty of Teaching and Education is also very strict about the smoking rules.
Now they have non-smoking and smoking areas since the Smart Smokers program. This program makes this faculty becomes one of the most favorite faculties in Sanata Dharma University.
The Faculty of Teaching and Education has its own strengths and facilities. Those make the Faculty of Teaching and Education become the most favorite faculty in Sanata Dharma University. one of its department, English Education Department, is the most favorite department in the Faculty of Teaching and Education. Why? Because the applicants per year are up to 15,000 until 20,000 applicants, and they only accept 1% from it.
What makes the Faculty of Teaching and Education becomes one of the most favorite faculties in Sanata Dharma University? Well, first of all, the facilities in the faculty itself. The Faculty of Teaching and Education has several facilities that are provided for the students. There are the micro-teaching laboratorium, which is created to help the students in teaching skills, and also a multimedia laboratorium in order to help the students to develop their listening skills, and practicum laboratorium for the students of science education departments in the third campus at Paingan. Second of all, it is about the prospects and advantages in joining the Faculty of Teaching and Education. The students of this faculty are taught not only to teach but also to become a professional educator according to the values of Catholicism, which are competence, conscience, and compassion. The Faculty of Teaching and Education teaches the students how to educate other people. The Faculty of Teaching and Education promises a good future in which the students who study there will become Indonesia's top educators. Trust Sanata Dharma University. Trust the Faculty of Teaching and Education.
Sanata Dharma University. If you are looking for a place where you can be a good educator, Sanata Dharma University is the correct place. Actually, the exact place to learn how to be an educator. Because Sanata Dharma University has Faculty of Teaching and Education, where you will be taught how to be an educator. Here, you will not only be taught and learn how to be a teacher, but you will learn how to be an educator, how to educate people. Because we need to educate people to be a brilliant and humanist.